What's up everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can make the flicker text effect in Adobe Premiere, and it's really pretty easy. But before we start, I need to show you something. I'm so damn happy. I ordered 2 weeks ago 2 hats from Starcraft 2. I know that I need to show you a tutorial, but I want to show you, it will be 30 seconds. And they just came. Look at them. WCS. I ordered both of them, 2 of them, only because what if this will be bleached out like this one? I had New York, but this is like, you can see it's bleached from the sun. So if one is going to be bleached out, I got second one. Ooh! Or if one is going to be lost, I got second one. Ooh! So I'm so damn happy. I love it. Mwah, mwah. So, okay. Oh, I love it so much because I love Starcraft 2, and what the logo is WCS, which is called World Championship Series, which is so damn good. And if you are not watching Starcraft, go ahead and go watch it. So that's what I wanted to share with you, and let's go for a tutorial. Flicker effect, flicker text effect. You will go really simple way. You got a text here, then you need to find opacity. Click here on the bottom in effects controls. It will create keyframe. Go with a 0. Then go, oh my god, with a 3, 4 right clicks, and then create another keyframe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, and look what will happen now. Oh my god, where did it went? Like that, okay. Okay, so we're going to see it now. See, and now we are going to grab them. We are going on our last keyframe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. And let's see how it looks like. So that's how we make the flicker effect. I made too much bigger distances between those, so what you can do is to make them much smaller, to make them much faster, like this. So go like 1 or 2 clicks away, not 4. I think that will be much better. So let's see. See, it's much better. So this is how we make it. Oh, I see also this one. I can see you. Like that. Okay. Now. So that's how we make it. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me, subscribe, you know how it goes. Thank you very much everybody, and goodbye.